Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. Find the area by the curve of this one. So the answer that should be about the integral from 0 to b over 2. And we have 1 over 2. And this one you got about 2 minus 2 cosine theta to the power of 2 d theta. So we put number 2 outside, you got about number 4. This one you got about 1 minus cosine theta to the power of 2 d theta. This one you got about number 2. So we got about 1 minus 2 cosine theta plus cosine theta square. So about cosine theta square, we can change about cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus 1, you will got about 3 over 2. And we got the final answer. The integral of 3 over 2, you got about theta. This one, you got about negative 2 sine theta. This one, you got about 1 over 4 sine 2 theta. And we put the boundaries in here. So we got about 3b over 2 minus number 2. Next one, we want to find the volume of this one, and we have the boundaries in here. They revolve around y equals to number 9. So we got about this one. We change for y. So because y under the square root, so we just concentrate about the positive side. We put the square in the both sides. Later that we divide both sides with number 4. And now the volume should be about from b, and we have the integral from 0 to number 6, because we put number 9 in here. So you got about the value of s, that's about number 6, because they revolve around this one. So we got about 9 minus this one to the power of 2 ds. How can I get this one like this? If we graph on the function in here, we can see that this is about y equals to number 9. This is about y equals to x squared over 4. So number 9 is above this one. That's why we got like this. And we calculate this one, you got the final answer. Now this one is about 16. So we got the final answer. And the last one, we need to use about secant of x to the power of 6. We can put about secant of x squared in here. About secant of x to the power of 4, we can put about 1 plus tan x to the power of 2 dx. So we can use about substitution. So this one we change for the square root of u, and we have 1 plus u squared power 2 du. This one we can change about u to the power of 1 over 2. About u, that's about tan x. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.